Hey guys, today we're going to be making Kool-Aid slushies. First, get the Kool-Aid packet, then get the 1 cup of sugar, and after that, get the 1 cup of water. And then once you stir that all up, get 3 cups of ice. First, we're going to put the Kool-Aid packet in the water. I decided to use orange. Next, put the 1 cup of sugar in the water. And once you have that, stir it all up with a spoon. Once it's mixed, pour it into the blender or the cup of ice. And once you have that, put the lid on it. And blend it. Once it's blended, pour it into a cup. And once you poured it, there you have it, a Kool-Aid slushie.